from MAS-CodeTech, and today we will be making a fun project. Not a party project, but a fun project. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's hop right into the video. So today, we are going to make a fun project, as I told you in my intro, from lesson 1 through 3. 3, not tree, not a tree. 3, lesson 3. That means from how to make shapes using code to intro to variables. Alright guys, so right over here, I'm on our editor, P5JS. Web editor, and as you guys can see, there's no background because I made it white, all white, so I can show you everything what I'm doing, and you guys can understand it. Or should we make it black for this time and then we can change it later on? Alright, so black, perfect. Okay, so the next thing, no, not the next thing. So now we're gonna start out with our first lesson, that is drawing shapes using code. And then the shape I'm going to be making is a circle. And yeah, let's get started. Started. Okay, so to make a circle, we're going to type in ellipse, followed by parentheses, and end it with a semicolon. And between our parentheses, we're going to type in the x and y value, the length, width, whatever you guys say. So yeah. Okay, so I'm going to type in 200, comma, space 200, and 300 to 300 probably, comma, space 300. Okay, perfect, like I wanted. Now, I forgot to tell you guys that we are going to be making a figure of a bear's face. So, the next thing we're going to do is write ellipse again, followed by parentheses, and end it with a semicolon. And in between our parentheses, we're going to type in the numbers like we want, and it's going to be taking us a bit time to get practice for this. You have to think of the number, or you have to keep on changing the number like this. So if I write 50, 30, and then 60 and 70. It got really small and I don't want it over there. I want it somewhere else. So I'm going to have to change this to 60. Let's try 60. No, and then 70. No, 80. No, 90. Not again. 100. No. 150. 180. Wait. Guys, 150 is perfect. Actually, should we try 145? That's dumb. Okay, that is perfect. And then, next thing we're going to be doing is bringing it down. So, let's try 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. Not there yet, but 145. Let's look at that. Oh my god. Okay. Let's look at that. Okay, perfect. And then I want it a bit more smaller so it looks like an eye. Let's make it 10. No, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Wait. No, let's make it 50. I think it was perfect. And then now we're going to change our 70. So it's going to take this long time for us to decide on what number is perfect for what shape, or yeah. Okay, so 10, 20, I'm at 30, 40, 50. Okay, 50 is perfect. And then this is what we are going to do. We're going to get our values for the x and y value, copy that, and then we're going to write ellipse again, followed by parentheses, and end it with a semicolon. And in between our parentheses, we're going to type in some numbers. Like we should type in 245, comma, space, 245, comma, space. We're going to leave our x and y value 50 to 50, like that. Okay, wait, we just went wrong. This is not what I want, so. Okay, since I told you we're going to leave our x and y value 50 to 50. And yeah, so that's really like silly and cross. Okay, this is what we're going to do this time. We're going to kind of like move it upwards or try our best to do the same things, because I wish we could have done something else so that both eye positions were same and we could change it at the same time. That's what we are going to do when we move on forward. Okay, so let's try 145 for this one. Wow! Yes. I never knew this would rather work. Okay, well, it worked and I'm happy that it did. Next up, we're going to make a nose. Okay, to make a nose, again, we're going to type in ellipse. So this is all about like circles, and yeah, I guess. Followed by parentheses and end it with a semicolon. And in between our parentheses, we're going to like type in the numbers we want again. And then let's see. Let's make this 345, comma, space, like not 145, but something else. Because we wanted it almost in the middle, so. Change it to, okay, let's make it 45, comma, space, and then let's do this 30 and 80. Okay, that's way up. Let's see. Let's make that 145 for now. And like 169, 70, 80. No, 200 is worth it. Yes, it is really worth it. Okay. Next, we have to bring it down. So bring it down, we're going to try changing the numbers and get the perfect one we want. And then let's make it 155. Okay, almost close, but not really, like good. 160. No. 80. 180, like, That's like a penguin's nose. Okay, but it's still really looking cute, but I decided that I really want to make a bear. So yeah, let's make it 200s. So it goes in the middle. Yay! It got to the middle. And then now we're going to change these numbers, like our x and y value. Like 40 is too big. 10. Too small. 20. Perfect. And then let's change this. Make that 10. So cute and adorable, but let's make it 20 because like we want it. No. 10 is better. I guess, yes, 10 is better. Alright guys, so that's a really tiny and cute nose. And then the next thing we're going to do is make some ears. Like, who doesn't love bear ears? Because we are going to use so many cute things. Let's get started. Alright guys, so now we're going to make another ellipse. So we can make the beautiful, beautiful ears. So ELLIPSE. Like, I got this spelling memorized. Okay, so, and then the middle. of the parentheses, write the numbers. 200, like you can write, I'm writing random numbers right this sec, but yeah, we'll change it soon. That looks like an alien. Should we make an alien? I guess we can, because that looks beautiful. That's beautiful. Okay, I changed my plan that we're gonna make an alien saying like, oh. Okay, that looks beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so enter another ellipse. So ellipse followed by parentheses and ended with a semicolon. And in between the parentheses, we are going to be making, I'm not making, typing down some numbers. So the numbers are, so 200 to 200. Like it is going to be in the middle, but 45 and 90. That's two upwards. So we need to get it down, like not in the middle, perfectly in the middle, but like bottom middle. So for that, we will have to change this to 40. Let's try that. Cute, but not perfect. Let's see, 45. No. 50. No. 70. Let's go straight to 70. Oh, so cute. Adorable. But a bit more down will be more beautiful. 80. Okay, this time 95. No. Okay, 90. No, that's too, like 85 will work for me. Like, yeah. Because we don't want it to touch like all the way bottom, so the chain is going to be hidden. 65. Okay, almost there. 75. It's like it's opening his mouth. 85. Okay, beautiful, 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 beautiful angel. Okay, that's a beautiful alien. Should we make the nose bigger? No, I don't think so. We will have to. Okay, now moving on to our next step. That is next step and also our next lesson. That is color using code. So yeah, I can't wait to start doing that one. Let's get some spaces going here. So like we don't interact with our each like other functions. I don't want to interact with my other functions. So, okay. For the first lovely face, we'll have to like make it green. Who doesn't like green? I love, love, love green. That's one of my first favorite colors. I think I told you guys that in one of my first videos, like not first or one of my videos, I don't remember, but still, yeah. If you guys didn't watch that video, make sure to go check that video out too. Like, you guys can tell me in the comment down below, like what video I told that I love green in, or just say nothing if I never said that I like green. Okay. The next thing, fill color. So for that, we're going to type in fill, followed by some parentheses, and end it with a semicolon. And then in what happened? Wait. Oh, wait. Let's see. 37, comma, space, 241, comma, space, and 9. Oh my god, that looks beautiful. Okay, I don't want all of it green. Wait, so it looks really green, so we're gonna do this. Let's make this white by putting 900 over there. So we can look at our alien in a more fancier way, or just we can leave it at 0. So it looks like it's coming from the sky. Okay, my eyes are burning now. Okay, I'm fine. Next, another color fill, and followed by parentheses and end it with a semicolon. And we are going to make it black, so 0, 0, and 0. You get 3 zeros. You could do any color, like any number for black, like 1 through 10 or 1 through 20 for this editor, web editor. Okay, the second one is also the eyes. For that, I want it black. So fill, followed by parentheses, and then the semicolon. If you guys are thinking like why I'm not like copying it and pasting it, because I want you guys to like know how to do it, learn how to do it. If I copy paste it, you guys are sometimes, some people like really get confused. So you can either write 0 or 0, comma space 0, comma space 0. Anything will work. So for this one, I'm just gonna write 0 and then enter U. Wait, I want to enter this one too. Okay. Enter so it doesn't touch the first one. Okay. Fill, followed by parentheses, and end it with a semicolon. Where's my semicolon? Okay, the nose usually is like 0, black. I don't really know about much more about aliens, but I don't know if the nose is usually orange or I mean by black. Wait, we should look it up actually. Let's see. What color nose does an alien have? So let's see. Let's look on images so like we could get an idea. Oh my god, aliens are usually, oh my god, they're kind of scary. I don't want to look at it, but most of them are black, so we're gonna leave it black. Oh my god, that scared me. I'm so sorry, like that scared me, not me. Okay. Next, enter this. Enter. And then fill, followed by parentheses, and end it with a semicolon. And in between our parentheses, this time we're gonna do yellow. Who doesn't like yellow? Because head part is yellow. So yeah. Comment down below what your favorite color is, because I like to know people's favorite colors. Okay, so let's see. Yellow. Think a number. Alright guys, I think of a number. So 242, comma, space, let's see. 255 and 0. Yay, yellow! Yellow, right there. Right part. That looks cute actually. And then their mouth. First, let's enter this, and then FILL, followed by parentheses, and end it with a semicolon. And in between parentheses, we're gonna make it red. So 255, comma, space 0, 0. Oh my god, that looks adorable, but not like really perfect. So let's change it kind of like a lighter pink. So for that, I need to think of a number again. Let's think. Alright guys, so actually I thought of a number I'm gonna probably use. So 2, since we have to go less to make the red lighter, so probably 245. It's not 243, okay. That's my last choice. And then 83, I guess, and then 83 again. I don't like most of the colors. Yeah, yes, perfect number. Our alien looks adorable, a little cutie pie. Oh my god, that's cute actually. That doesn't like really look like an alien. It looks like the Grinch. It just needed some hairs. But still, it's beautiful. Okay, so now we're going to be moving on to our next lesson. That is called, like, I don't really even remember. Think. Get me some my own think time. I think it's intro to variables. Okay, wait. I'm gonna be thinking for a long time. Alright guys, so I think I got it right. It was Intro to Variables, the second, like the third lesson. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, I wish I could like change the eye size at the same time. Like this has to be like, I want the eyes to be a bit smaller, so like 30. Yeah, cute. And then this has to be 30. Like it's really hard like to keep on changing both of them again and again, again and again and again. And I just don't like it. 30, and then I wish they both could change their eye size like by itself. Look at one of it is bigger and one of them is smaller. I don't like it at all. This is when variable comes in, like my brother Mohammed told in his video, like when he was teaching you all into the variables. Make sure to go check that video out too, and it's right here on the white thing, as you guys can see. Okay, now let's see. Okay, I know what to do now. Okay, so first things first, we are going to make a variable. Let's make a variable. To make a variable, we're going to type in var. Let's name it number. No, let's name it eye size. Actually, no. Let's name it E. I. I'm really bad at getting names. I. Let's name it I. Is that good? Yes. I is equals to, let's see, what is it is equals to? Okay, so var I, that's how you make a variable. You have to pick a name for it and then like write var first, and variable is, var is a short form for variable. You can't write variable because the code main function code, like the code function is var, and then you can name it anything you like. I named it I. You can name it toffee, you can name it number, you can name it alien, you can name it anything you like. So is equal var I is equals to. Alright guys, so there's one thing we forget. I make silly mistakes all the time while like I'm teaching. So before, okay, here's what we're going to do. We have to make the variable like at the top here. Okay, so like go background and then space. Okay, now let's make a variable var and then name it something. So since it's all about the eyes, we're going to name it eye size. Like I was telling you before, but then I thought like that's going to be boring. But still, since it's about your eye size, why don't we name it eye size? Like, okay, E-Y-E. We can't have any spaces between the letters. So this is all what Mohammed taught you, but I'm still going to teach you this one more time again, like so you guys can get it better. Edit and then end it with a semicolon and then enter, and this time you're going to type in the variable name eye size is equals to let's see, 20, not 20, 30, and end it with a semicolon. Okay, beautiful. Oh my god, those eyes didn't even change at all. You guys want to know why? Because we forgot one thing. What did we forget? We forgot that we have to change our x and y value to our variable name, that is E-Y-E-I Z-E, eye size. And then the first one's looking good, and then let's just do copy pasting here. But if I copy paste, you guys sometimes get confused, so I'm just going to type it for you. Eye size, and then this one, and then the last one. They're already getting the similarities in both of them. So oh my god, they look exactly the same. None of them is a small and none of them is bigger. Okay, so if we change the number right here for our variable I size, if I change it back to 50, it's gonna look adorable. Like, oh my god, they both look the same size. Before, like when we didn't have the variable eye size, that time the eyes were looking like one was smaller and one was bigger. I don't like that. That's why variable helps us. So guys, that's it for this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. And bye to my little alien, or the Grinch. Okay, and see you later. Bye. Love you all.